creating your account, after verifying your account, I would like you to note those things. Before I proceed to taking survey or doing other things, you can also apply this format in other survey sites. So these are the things you have to note. After watching advertisement, because there are some certain number of advertisements like frameless advertisements, framed advertisement, they have certain number of advertisements you can watch per day. And if you are more interested in increasing your earnings, you can be taking survey even as a Nigerian. You understand? You don't need UK number, but if you still want to earn higher, there is a higher chance if you are in UK. You understand? So these are the things you are going to note. You can copy it out and be consistent with it. Firstly, I will tell you the truth. If you come to survey, they like hearing from women. They like hearing experience from women. You understand? So first of all, you have to use a female profile. Understand? Even if you're a man, I'm sorry to say this thing. Some men may be like, why will I make myself to be? You understand? Please, for the sake of the survey, make yourself a female. Okay? Make yourself a female just for the sake of the survey. Reason because in mainly, let me come to fashion survey, they will lead mostly female fashion and grocery shopping, many other things. That's why they need female. So use female account. This is the thing. Use not employed. Don't use that you're employed. You're employed in social company. They ask you the number of companies. It still gets survey, but use not employed. You're not employed. Understand? You're not employed. They feel you have more chance. You can give them more details. You're not going to rush. You calm down and explain the details to them what they need. Again, they will ask you who is the final decision maker in your family. Say it is you. So you are the total final decision maker. If you say that, there is no way they will disqualify you. If you say you are the final decision maker, they'll be like, this person can give us information because you are the final decision maker. You can give them details on what to decide for the family. You understand? So the next one, they'll ask you if you are married. You said yes. You say yes, you are married. You are living with your partner. I know, right? That's it. Living with your partner. You are married. Then they'll ask you children. You can decide to say you have 4, 5 children, but you know this thing is in Nigeria. You can say 3 children. You understand? You can say 3 children from minimum of 3 children. Then you can use this format: 4 children under 18, or you can say 1 is 13, a boy or a girl. Just choose any format you like. 1 should be under 18. The other one, you just know how you're going to split things, but don't make it to be above 18. If it's above 18, they will consider that child as an adult. You understand? They consider that child as an adult. And survey from an adult is likely less. They like to know, as a parents, how you do guide your children, the decision you make for your children, and are not yet adults. So that's what the thing is about. And if you follow this format, you earn more qualifications and points. Sometimes they might disqualify you and they will still compensate you with points. And the good part of it is that the minimum withdrawal in the survey site is $1. The minimum withdrawal is $1. So for age, when it comes to age, don't say you are 20 years old, even if you are 12 years old. I don't know if there's any 12 years old that is watching me here. If you are here, comment. Alright, so even if you are 12 years old, say you are 35 to 40 years old, there is higher range of qualifications. They believe you're an adult, you know more than, understand. They believe you are the range of people that can share more information and they can get what you understand what I mean. If you are 50 years old, reduce your age to 35 to 40 years old. If you are 20 years old, increase your age. Understand? So if this is what you're going to, I'm following this format. I will advise you, if you want to do CPX research, there are so many research platforms there. If you want to do CPX research, don't do any research that is above $1. If they are going to fling you, and they're not compensate you. So if you want to do any CPX research, do the one that's below $1 or $1 highest. So that's all I have to say. Okay, next we are going to enter into doing the survey. You're going to see how I do watch advertisement, the frameless ad, the framed ad, doing advertisement, playing games to earn. Everything is in this site. You play game to earn. I'm telling you, this is real. And for those people playing game, you are going to make sure that the game, you have not downloaded it in your app before, so you have to. And I advise those that are using Nigerian location, this game aspect is good. If you can play game, you play game to app, because if you are using UK and you want to play game, there is a situation whereby your VPN might off, understand, and your location will be opened. They will see that you are not in Nigeria, they see that you are not in UK, that you are in Nigeria. But in Nigeria, if you are those people that are using Nigeria location, you can play games. Since it doesn't work, you just have to download the game, follow the procedure. As you are playing, your points will be increasing and you can withdraw your money. Understand? So let's just get started. I'll be showing you how to take some surveys, how to watch videos, and how to show you the offers too. Understand? So after verifying your account, this is the next step to take. I will show you how the dashboard, the interface, and everything concerning the app. So I will click here. If you look at the upper left hand side, there is this thing. See where I clicked, and I will click here. It will bring so many places for me. I will also click, if you want to start watching advertisements, I'll click browsing. So as you can see, I have 22 advertisements under frameless ad, and I have 9 advertisements under framed ad. Let me show you how the framed ad works. So let me click it. This ad is 8 seconds. You have to stay in this site for 8 seconds and they will credit you. As you can see, the thing framed ad, this thing that is sticking up there has to reach here before you leave. That's 8 seconds they mean. Just don't sign up, don't do anything, just stay in the site. Okay, as you can see, it has reached here. So I will now come back. You see it, you have earned 3.5 coins. So that's how the thing works. You'll be clicking, watching the advertisement, and if you have many accounts, I advise you to do so, because the advertisement they bring depends on the number of advertisement they get from their customer. This one is 15 seconds, this one is 8 seconds. That's how the thing works. You start watching the ad. After watching the framed ad, you go to the frameless ad. Frameless ad, they will not bring anything tinkling to tell you that the time is up or remaining. You understand? So for the ad, we are done. We come to offers. I'll show you how the offers looks like. So for the offers, you can see, if you download NLab, this is a game. You pay you $35 for playing that game. And if you want to do anything playing game, I advise you to be using Nigerian location, please, because VPN can trip off anytime. Let me show you how the thing works like. So I'm not saying, if you install the app, you will earn $0. If you reach level 3, they will give you 360. Did I say $0? Sorry, 0 coin. If you reach level 3, they will give you 360 coins. If you reach level 8, 900 coins. If you purchase battle pass, don't purchase anything, please. Just reach that level, get the coin. You understand? I think this level 20 blah 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 is for people that purchased. You understand? So just reach the place, get the coin there for people that loves how to play game. Same with this. If you reach mission level 5, you give you coin seat, so you can get up to you can reach level 13 to get 1680 coins here without even making any purchase. You understand? So this is how the offer works, and it's working perfectly. This is a game. For you to get in this game, you have to play and build a fluoride private club. There's a description, there's the offers, This is the offers, and you can use Nigerian location to do it. Likewise, people in Ghana, you can do it as well. So this is offer partners, where they get the offers. You understand? So let me show you another thing. If you come to this survey, I'm going to show you. Remember the details, rules and regulation I sent you before. You have to follow it in doing the survey. So this is the CPS research I'm talking about. This is the CPS research. So any CPS research you want to do, follow the rules, and don't apply for a survey that is greater than 1,000 coin, please. You see this survey, 1,000 coin, you can do it, but don't do anyone that is greater or above. Just follow the research. You can do it. This is 1,000 coin. This is close to $1, $2. You understand? That's how the thing works. And you can withdraw your earnings immediately. I'll show you where you can withdraw your money. So I don't want to do so. I don't want this video to be long. So this is it. You can also do survey from this place. As you can see, this is, check the percentage. This is 100%. This is 30%. If you check this, you will understand what I mean. Understand? So it's still loading. Okay. This is the survey offer they have for you. Me, I normally prefer CPX research. So we also have Bit Labs, Prime Surveys. This is surveys site they have. So if you check the CPS research survey, you find out that is more popular in the site, and they don't disqualify that easily. So that's how the thing was. Advertisement. Okay, there is no advertisement yet. If you press advertisement, but we are here to make money. You understand? For your affiliate, if you have somebody to refer, you can refer and you also earn coin. You understand? This is my new account. Okay, so that's it. Let me show you where you can withdraw. If you want to withdraw your earnings, so this is my dashboard. If you want to withdraw your earnings, see it. You come to cash out. This is my new account. You come to cash out here. It's loading. You come to cash out. You put your wallet address, fill in the details, place your withdrawal. You see it? Okay, so you click here. You see it. Use crypto, please. Use crypto. Don't use gift card. Gift card, it's not easy to convert. Let me say $5 gift card. It's not easy to convert. I think it's from $15 upwards. So using crypto, you can even withdraw a minimum of $1. You understand? Which is the minimum requirement it requires. So this is the referral statistics, and that's all for the video. I hope you understand. Please do well to like my video. I'll be dropping more updates. Thank you.